How to Fix Instagram Reels Zoom Issue 2026. Friend? Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more Instagram fixes. If your Instagram Reels appear zoomed in or cropped, here's the real solution. Step 1. Check video aspect ratio. Reels should be uploaded in 9:16 vertical format. Resolution 1080 1x1020 pixels. If you upload landscape or other ratios, Instagram automatically zooms or crops the video. Step 2. Update Instagram. Open Play Store or App Store. Search Instagram and update to the latest version. Old versions sometimes show zoom issues. Step 3. Clear Instagram cache. Android. Go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache, iPhone. Delete the Instagram app and reinstall it. This fixes glitches causing zoomed reels. Step 4. Avoid third-party editing apps. Some apps export videos in wrong aspect ratio. Always export reels directly in 9:16 vertical format. Step 5. Re-upload the reel. If your video is zoomed after uploading, delete it and upload again using the correct ratio. Important note: if a reel looks zoomed from someone else's account, it's because the original creator uploaded it incorrectly. There's nothing you can do on your side in that case. Final summary: use 9:16, update Instagram, clear cache, re-upload out. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment Reels Fixed below. If you want, I can also make a super short, voiceover-ready YouTube script under 90 seconds for this exact fix. Do you want me to do that?